Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to increase sexual power naturally. We believe in fostering a healthy and fulfilling intimate life through natural approaches. Get ready to unlock the secrets to boosting your sexual power. Let's get started. Number 1. Prioritize overall health. To increase sexual power naturally, start by focusing on your overall health. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, manage stress, and get enough sleep. Number 2. Eat a libido-enhancing diet. Certain foods can support sexual health. Include fruits like watermelon and berries, nuts and seeds like almonds and pumpkin seeds, and vegetables like spinach and avocado in your diet. Number 3. Regular exercise. Exercise is crucial for boosting blood flow and enhancing your stamina. Engage in activities like cardio, strength training, and yoga to improve your sexual power. Number 4. Kegel exercises. Don't forget about Kegel exercises. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles can lead to better control and stronger orgasms. Number 5. Stress management. Stress can negatively impact your sexual performance. Practice stress relief techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Number 6. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for a healthy libido. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to recharge your body. Number 7. Communicate with your partner. Open communication with your partner is vital. Discuss your desires, needs, and concerns to build a deeper emotional connection. Number 8. Explore sensual activities. Try new sensual activities with your partner to reignite the spark. Simple gestures like massages or intimate dates can strengthen your bond. Number 9. Reduce alcohol and smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can impair sexual function. Limit your intake to support your sexual health. Number 10. Avoid porn overuse. Overuse of pornography can desensitize you to real-life intimacy. Balance your consumption to maintain a healthy relationship with your partner. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Here's to a fulfilling and satisfying intimate life.